but I almost cut the wire because they're so similar. Dying. Maybe I'll keep this. The car goes because I set it on the highest power mode, and when it's below around 10 miles per hour, the output of the electricity was just too big, and it has to cut up from time to time so that it doesn't go too fast. Oh my god! It was too quick! I can't. Oh my god. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. I couldn't go. I just couldn't go. Oh my god. I think I was blacked out for a little bit. It went from 0 to 40 miles per hour in about 1 second. It was fucking crazy. And if you have driven a go-kart before, you know you feel the speed like 3 or 4 times stronger than when you're in a car. I personally drive a Porsche Taycan, and it feels nothing like this. The wheels were spinning too. I mean, if the ground has more grip, it's gonna go even crazier. In the future, I'm going to take it to a go-kart course and race it with some 2-stroke professional go-karts and some non-professional go-karts for fun. Alright, so like if you subscribe.